Hi everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today's video isn't just about sharing a few repair tricks by hand. I also want to send you my heartfelt thanks and share something a little personal. When you watch my videos and leave your thoughts in the comments, it truly means so much to me. Your feedback, your stories, your kind words, they bring me real emotions. Some comments make my whole day brighter. And some help me reflect on how I can keep improving, and I'm genuinely grateful for all of it. So today, I just want to say thank you, from the bottom of my heart. You are the reason I keep trying to do better, and I'm sending my best wishes to every one of you. Alright, thanks for letting me share a little bit of my heart. Now, let's get back to today's video. I'm going to show you 3 genius ways to fix any tear in your clothes, and I hope you find them helpful. For this first tear, we'll use the invisible stitch along with a simple trick to fix loose threads. Always make sure to use thread that matches the original color so you get the cleanest, most invisible result. We'll pull this extra thread to the back side of the fabric, tie a small knot, and hide the tail. Next, let's try another way to fix a tear so you'll have more options for your clothing repair project. If you're finding this helpful so far, please like, share, and subscribe, it really supports my channel. And don't forget to save this video so you can easily come back to these tear repair ideas anytime you need them. And if a regular repair doesn't look great in certain spots, you can turn it into a design instead. Here, I'm drawing a little heart around the tear and stitching to create a cute decoration shape. For this stitch, make sure to pull the thread evenly each time, not too loose and not too tight. I've slowed down the video so you can follow along easily. Thank you so much for watching. I hope today's repair tips help you fix more clothes and make your sewing projects easier and more enjoyable. If you try any of these methods, I'd love to hear about it. Share your experience in the comments below. Wishing you a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video.